Hello friends, this is Mr. Vipul Samsare. Once again, welcome you in our new video lecture. Today we are going to see a comparative study of three different barks, that is cinnamon, cinchona and kurchi bark. So comparatively we will study all three barks, which is very much important and very much easy to understand this thing for competitive examinations like a GPAT. So this comparative study is very useful to remember also the number of things. So first important thing, we will see the different characteristics with respect to cinnamon, cinchona and kurchi bark. So first is part use. So part use for cinnamon bark, these are the dried inner barks of shoot, whereas for cinchona these are the dried barks, and for kurchi these are the dried stem barks. So this is the difference between the three different barks. Just see the synonym. The synonym of cinnamon is cinnamon bark or kalmi dalchini, whereas for cinchona it is Peruvian bark or Jesuits bark. For kurchi it is Holarina as well as kurchi. Just see the three different sources. So for cinnamon, these are obtained from plant Cinnamomum zelanicum. The cinchona bark is obtained from four different sources. So first is Cinchona calicea, Cinchona legediana, Cinchona officinalis and Cinchona succirubra. The kurchi bark is obtained from plant Holarina antidescenticra. So these are the difference between the cinnamon, cinchona and kurchi. Just see the family. The family of cinnamon is Lauraceae, whereas for cinchona it is Rubiaceae and for kurchi it is Apocynaceae. So these are three different families of cinnamon, cinchona and kurchi. Just see the chemical constituent. The cinnamon bark contain the volatile oil as a major chemical constituent, which contain the terpenes like eugenol and cinnamic aldehyde. Cinchona bark contain the alkaloids as a major chemical constituent. So four different alkaloids are present. First is quinine, second is quinidine, third is cinchonine and fourth is cinchonidine. So four different alkaloids as a major chemical constituent in cinchona bark. In case of kurchi, the constituents are again alkaloids, the major chemical constituent in the kurchi bark. So alkaloids like conicin, this is 30% of total alkaloid content in the kurchi. Then other alkaloids like norconicin, isoconicin and curchicin, these other three alkaloids are also present in kurchi bark. See the uses. The cinnamon is used as a mild astringent and carminative. The volatile oil obtained from cinnamon has a germicidal activity and also used as a flavoring agent. Cinchona bark contain the quinine alkaloids, which are anti-malarial. The property of the quinine alkaloids are anti-malarial, also used as an antipyretic. So these quinine derivatives like chloroquine, primaquine, these are the approved anti-malarial drugs. Also the drug which is currently used for the management of novel COVID-19 is also a derivative of quinine. Next, the kurchi. Kurchi is used as an anti-protozoal in protozoal dysentery as well as in malaria, and also used as a tan astringents. So these are the different uses of three barks. Just see the difference with respect to microscopic characteristics of these three bark. So first we will see the cork cells. These cork cells are absent in cinnamon. The cork cells are absent in cinnamon, but present in the cinchona as well as in Kurchi. So in cinchona, the cork cells are polygonal with reddish brown matter, the polygonal cells containing reddish brown matter. In case of Kurchi, the cork cells are thin wall. The few cork cells are colorless and few contain the yellowish brown matter. So this is the difference between cork cells of cinchona and Kurchi, and these are absent in cinnamon. Just see the stone cells. The stone cells are present in cinnamon as well as in Kurchi. In cinnamon, the stone cells are U-shaped, and in Kurchi, the stone cells are rectangular to oval in shape, and the stone cells are absent in cinchona. The cinchona bark, the stone cells are absent. Just see the calcium oxalate crystals. These are present in all three barks with different shapes. So in cinnamon, the calcium oxalate crystals are acicular raphoid shape calcium oxalate crystals. These are the needle shape crystals in cinnamon. Just see the cinchona bark. Cinchona bark, the calcium oxalate crystals are microprismatic, whereas in Kurchi bark, the calcium oxalate crystals are rhombic or diamond shaped calcium oxalate crystals. The other microscopic characteristics like phloem fibers. These phloem fibers are absent in Kurchi but present in cinnamon and cinchona. So in cinnamon, phloem fibers are stratified thick wall lignified phloem fibers. In cinchona also, the phloem fibers are lignified with stratified walls and contains the simple as well as branched pores. So this is the difference between the phloem fibers of cinnamon and cinchona. The phloem fibers in cinchona have the pores, the simple as well as branched pores, and these absent in Kurchi. The starch grains are present in all three barks, that is cinnamon, cinchona as well as Kurchi. Just see the oil cells. Oil cells are present only in cinnamon. These are big isolated oil cells containing volatile oil, and these oil cells are absent in cinchona as well as in Kurchi.